Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas, sailing from Los Angeles. Now I'm currently in a junior suite. Now it's not just any junior suite, it's one of the aft-facing, which are my personal favorites. We're going to take you through the whole room here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel Signature Service every step of the way. Now we have a lot of our customers that choose to upgrade to a junior suite. You get double points for the Crown and Anchor loyalty program, but in addition to that, you get quite a bit more space. Now it's not a full suite, so you're not going to get access to the suite lounge and those benefits, but the extra space can mean the world when you're traveling with your family. Let me show you what this room is all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got two hooks for coats, perfect if you're in the cooler weather. And then in here, you're going to find the closet. Now, it's a really nice large closet. You've got two terry cloth robes here, extra comfy. You've got pull down for more hanging space, and then hanging space that goes all the way across, and storage up and down. Now directly across, you're going to find the bathroom. Now this is a big difference from what you're going to find in a standard bathroom here on board. You've got the marble countertops here, storage behind either side of the mirror. You're going to have your plug for a razor and a little bit of storage underneath. Now you'll have the toilet tucked behind. One of the differences you'll also notice is that you have the tile decor, so it's an upgraded decor. And then here you're going to find your shower tub combo. Now I wanted to point out when traveling with a family, it is such a benefit to have a bathtub. When my daughter was even smaller than she is now, being able to throw her in, she really enjoyed it. It was great for us and really raised the entire experience. Now I wanted to step in just to point out that it does have a little bit of a raised threshold. I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I can fit in here without ducking, but just barely. You got the adjustable shower wand and storage for your amenities. You're also going to have those upgraded Gilchrist and Soames bath amenities, another part of that upgraded experience. Now I will point out that there is a shower curtain. It's not my all-time favorite, but I'll take that any day, getting to have a bathtub and a shower in one place. Now you're gonna have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here you can use to get ready. You've got your temperature controls just across. You've got a bit more storage in here with shelves all the way up and down. And then here you're going to find your writing desk that does double as a vanity. So it's backlit on either side. You've got storage behind the mirrors here. You've got storage up and down with the drawers. You're going to find your hairdryer in there. You also have that Lavazza coffee maker. Now it's a really nice upgraded option. I start my day at home with a nice Italian coffee. I love that I can do that here on board. Of course, you can also order from the room service menu if that's your preference. Continuing along, you've got storage up above. You've got your safe tucked just in here. Perfect for passport and wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got your flat panel TV here. It is angled so you can watch it from the bed, or you can turn it and watch it from the couch as well, whichever is your preference. Down below, you're going to find your mini fridge as you have in each and every room here on board. Next up, you'll see the bed. Now you can see that it's currently in what they call a Royal King configuration. So it can separate apart into two twins if that's your preference, or you can have it together. There's plenty of space underneath to tuck your luggage away and have more storage. On either side, you're gonna have your drawers and a little bit of storage there as well. I like that they have reading lamps. They're directional, so you can turn on the lamp or the reading light if you don't want to disturb your partner. And right on the side here, you're gonna find a charger. So it's got a USB charger. Keep in mind the other plugs are all on the desk, so you've got two US plugs and a Euro plug over there. I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can use all the plugs in the space. Now here is where you can really see everything opening up. There's quite a bit more space in here than you're going to find in a standard balcony. You've got a really comfy reading chair with a large ottoman here. You can see those amenities for the Lavazza coffee there, but you can also use that as a cocktail table or for storage. And then directly across, you're going to find the bed couch combo. So this will slide out and create into a bed, or you can keep it in the couch configuration. Now keep in mind your room steward will turn that down for you every night, and they'll put it back up in the morning when you head out for breakfast. Now this particular one connects to a balcony. So you can have a junior suite and a balcony. Depending on your family configuration, this could be a perfect option to combine. Maybe you have grandparents traveling along or a sibling, or you got more kids. You can have both of these there and they open up internally as well. Now, one of the best features about this being in the back of the ship is the balcony. Let's head out and check it out. So now we're out on your private veranda, and once again, you can see a significantly larger amount of space than you're gonna find in a balcony category. You've got 2 extra comfy loungers. These are padded. They'll provide towels out here for you if you'd like. You've got a cocktail table for the loungers. And then over here, you're gonna have 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to sit and have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of champagne in the evening. What I really love about this is you're looking out the aft of the ship. Now, it's important to know on Royal Caribbean's Voyager class ships and their Freedom class ships as well, you are going to have slight obstruction. So as you go down, it's kind of tiered. It's not flat in the back. But for me, I can still look out. I can see the wake, lowers my blood pressure, makes my smile super big here. And you can imagine sitting out here for a family game night, having dinner, or just relaxing and reading a book. It's the perfect fit for so many of our guests. Now, when you're ready to book this ship out of Los Angeles or anywhere that it sails, or any Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea voyage, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.